Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your ArcGIS Pro project and making the layer selectable because edits only apply to active layers. Once done, open the attribute table from the Layer context menu and immediately confirm the table view shows the fields you need. Now begin an edit session from the Edit tab so changes are tracked. This early setup prevents accidental edits and keeps undo history intact. Make sure your geodatabase is writable before proceeding to select features for attribute changes. You now focus on editing values. Select the rows you intend to change using attribute or spatial selection, since targeted edits reduce mistakes. Use the field header menu to calculate field for bulk updates or edit cells directly for single entries. Formulas follow Arcade or Python depending on your environment. Once done, validate domains and subtypes to enforce consistent values because they prevent bad data. Make sure to preview the calculation on a small subset before applying it to many records. You finish by saving your edits frequently. Choose Save Edits on the Edit tab and then stop the edit session to commit changes. Once saved, validate by running select queries, reviewing symbology, and optionally exporting the table to a copy for backup. If anything goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking File or Enterprise Geodatabase write permissions, clearing any locks, and verifying version or replica settings. If you see unexpected values, revert the edit session and reapply the correct calculation after fixing the root issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.